name is Iggyflow. I am a political revolutionary, also a musician on the train platform here in Chicago. I perform sometimes on a Red Line Jackson stop, and sometimes on a Blue Line, sometimes Clark and Lake, and sometimes State and Lake. Some of the performance areas are not really but some of them are restrictive, but I perform anyway. What it's like performing on the train stations, it can be tough sometimes because you have people that are really for the music. You have people who just came from work and really don't want to hear things, but you have people that also really want to hear the excitement of other people jamming onto the music. Whatever style that people are comfortable with, that's the style that we enjoy playing. That's what matters, is to entertain the people in Chicago and all over the world.
Saturday morning, hopped out of bed, put on my best suit, jumped in the car to race like a jet, order to you. Now don't you know it hard in my head to ask you a question.
I enjoy it. It's what I do. I consider myself as a revolutionary rebel rock star. But at the same time, I enjoy music, and it's not about the money. It's not about the capitalism structure or the way of I just need to get by. It's all about having fun and enjoying music, enjoying what you love, and don't worry about the criticism of people saying, "Oh, get a job. You don't need to be down there. You need to work a 9 to 5 like everyone else." No, if this is something that you love to do, come on down with your guitar, with your drums, with your even a ukulele. Come down there, get your permit, perform, and make some noise and make some beautiful, beautiful music.
Thank you guys for listening. For those who are listening, thank you.